Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the first question in exercise 7.5. Let's look at the first subdivision, integral of e power 2x divided by 1 plus e power x dx. I'm going to rearrange the numerator as integral of e power x into e power x divided by 1 plus e power x dx. Now I'm going to substitute this 1 plus e power x as t. So on differentiation, e power x dx is equal to dt. So one of the e power x and dx I will replace as dt. For the other e power x, we can use this form as e power x will be written as t minus 1. So now let's make the substitutions here. So the numerator will change. This e power x, I am translating it as t minus 1 is e power x dx. This part is going to become dt divided by t. Now term wise I am going to divide by t. So the first one will become 1 minus 1 by t dt. Now you can do the integration. So if you do, the first term will become t. The second one will become minus log t plus c. Now put back the value of t with whatever we have used. So in this case it is 1 plus e power x. So 1 plus e power x minus of log of 1 plus e power x plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision. Here it is integral of e power minus 1 by x plus 1 the whole thing by x squared dx. I'm going to simply put minus 1 by x as t. So minus 1 by x is equal to t. So when you differentiate this, you will get 1 by x squared dx is equal to dt. So this expression dx divided by x squared, I will be able to replace it with dt. So now let's make the changes. So this will be integral e power t plus 1 dt. Now let's integrate. So this will be e power t plus c. So e power minus 1 by x minus 1 by x plus c. In the next video, we will find the solution for the second question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.